Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious sweet pecan bread, perfect for your coffee. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Estoy grabando. To prepare this delicious pecan sweet bread, these are the ingredients. A pinch of salt, baking powder, non-stick baking cream that you already have that delicious recipe on my channel, room temperature eggs, pecans, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, condensed milk, and of course, unsalted butter. These are the only ingredients you need to prepare a delicious sweet pecan bread. So let's get started.
I want to start first by adding the non-stick baking cream to my baking dish. Of course, this recipe you already have on my channel. It's a very easy recipe. Easy, I say, because you don't need to add butter, you don't need to add all-purpose flour. One step and this is done. I'm gonna put it aside. Now I am ready to work with the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour that I'm going to sift. I have the half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to sift it very good. I want this sweet bread to come out fluffy, crispy from the outside, and delicious. I have 1 cup of pecans, chopped pecans, and I am going to incorporate it really good. Let me tell you, this bread comes out delicious. The condensed milk really gives this bread a moist and sweetness that you are going to love. I'm going to put it aside, and now I am ready to continue with the dry ingredients. I have 3 room temperature eggs that I'm going to add here in this clear plate. Of course, I am sure that once you make this bread, you're going to continue enjoying this delicious bread and delicious easy recipe. I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have 1 whole can of condensed milk. Yes, the condensed milk gives this bread such a delicious and moist flavor that I am sure you're going to love it. And here I'm just going to whisk everything really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated before I add it to the dry ingredients. Look at this. Now I am ready to add it to the dry ingredients. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Of course, I'm going to get a spatula and I'm going to get all that amazing flavors out of this plate. I don't want to leave none of the condensed milk behind. It's not going to be very sweet, but the condensed milk really gives it a delicious and amazing flavor. Well, here I'm just gonna combine everything. Remember to always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for 50 minutes. Yes, 50 minutes. It's going to come out really golden brown from the outside, nice and crispy, but from the inside it's going to be moist, soft, and you're going to love it, and you're going to enjoy it with coffee or milk. You decide. Well, with the spatula, I'm making sure that everything is combined. Now that I know that everything is nice and combined, I am ready to put it into my baking dish. Look at this. Let me tell you, with the non-stick baking cream, this bread is going to come out so easy. that I am sure you're going to go ahead and look for this amazing recipe on my playlist. I'm going to take it to the oven, 50 minutes at 350. After the 50 minutes, let me show you how easy it's going to come out of the baking dish. Of course, I have a little rack here. I am going to go ahead and remove it. It's still a little warm. I'm gonna leave it in here for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I am ready to slice and reveal how it looks from the inside. Look how beautiful this looks. It didn't even stick to the baking dish. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look at this. Crispy from the outside, but yet moist and delicious from the inside. I am ready for the presentation. My home really smells amazing. And if you love pecans like I do, you're going to love this recipe. Easy, delicious, and moist. Can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy. Look how moist and soft it is. I'll see you in just a little bit.
Friends, I am completely done with this amazing pecan sweet bread. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The pecan really released the amazing flavors into the sweet bread. The sweetness is just perfect. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing sweet bread. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.